What we've found is that the genetic component to depression is larger in females compared to males.
There's almost twice as many genes contributing to depression risk in females than there are in males.
It's likely due to there being a lot of changes in the DNA that both males and females with depression have, but also the specific set of genetic signals or changes in the DNA that we only find in females. One of the things we looked at are genetic signals that are shared between depression and metabolic traits. So for example, body mass index, which you'll probably commonly know as BMI. And we found that there are a lot of changes in the DNA shared between these. But of particular interest is that there are more of those shared signals in females. And that's really interesting because it might contribute towards why we see specific symptoms, these metabolic symptoms like increase in weight, are more common in females with depression compared to males with depression.
There's more and more stories coming out about how many of the medications that are currently developed and the research that we've known to date have mostly been focused around men or male participants or even male mice. I think it's really important to note that in this paper we're not saying that females or males have it worse, but what we're saying is that it's different. Depression looks very different from one person to another, and an important aspect of that is these sex differences that's been overlooked for a long time. And so we really need to move beyond a one-size-fits-all when it comes to mental health, but especially depression. I think this research shows that we do need to start considering males and females separately and not treating them the same when we're looking at depression.